Learning Tili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Masechus Kidushin Perik Aleph Mishna Yod Kol Ha'isa Mitzvah Achas. If any person does one mitzvah, Mativan Loi, we're mativ to him, which means in Olam Hazeh. Bahai Alma Rashi says Umarichin Lo Yamav, and we are Mairich his Yamim V'Noichel Es Haaretz, which means Chaye Ha'olam Haba. Chol She'ena Oisa Mitzvah Achas, someone who does not do one mitzvah. So the Gemara asks that we know the first Mishnah in Peah that we say every day. So it sounds like the exact halacha is our Mishnah. It's mativin lo and olam hazeh and neichel sa'aretz and olam haba, and it lists only kibbud avei and gemilas chasad and machnas zarchim aval shalom be'yad chaveir and Talmud Torah. So the Gemara answers over there, if you're shakel half and half, and one of those mitzvahs is with you, so then it will be machriya. But in our mission, it's talking about that one mitzvah that you're doing is being machriya. That at the end of the day, you have more mitzvahs than you have averis. The Gemara also explains that from Rava that Rabbi Yaakov Shita is schar mitzvah b'hai alma leka. Our Mishnah seems to be saying not like that there is schar mitzvah b'hai alma, but Rabbi Yaakov Shita is that when a person does a mitzvah, the schar is only in olam haba. The Mishnah ends off, kol sheyeshnu b'mikra u'b'mishnu b'derech eretz, anyone who has these three things, chumash, mishnayos, and derech eretz. The Rav says, ein masoyu matana b'nachas mabrias, that it means that his masa matan is benachas with the brias. So if he has these three milas, then loy b'meher hu chayte, won't do an avera quickly. Shenemar v'achut ha'meshulish loy b'meher yinotek. And fakeret kol she'ena loy b'mikra loy mishna loy b'derech eretz eina min ha'yishev. He's not part of the yishev ha'olam. The Gemara adds, Amar Rabbi Yochanan pasal eidus. He's pasal for eidus. Perek Beis Mishnah Aleph Ha'ish Mekadesh Boy ubishulcha. When a person is mekadesh his wife, he could do it himself, or he could be man hashliach. The Gemara explains that he should do it himself because asal adam sheikadesh is isha ad sheirena, he has to see her. But in the case that it's efsher, so as long as he's makar her, so then he could do it al yidei hashliach. Ha'isha shemiskadeshes ba ubishlucha. Ha'isha should also be mekadesh first herself over doing it with a shliach, but if she does it with a shliach, it also works. The Gemara explains, because mitzvah boy yoser may be shluchai. Ha'ish mekadesh is bita kishihi naira, boy ubishlucha. A person can be mekadesh his daughter when she is a naira, or by memana shliach to be mekadesh his daughter. The Gemara says that he shouldn't be mekadesh his daughter when she is a ketana until she gets older and she's able to say that I want to marry this person. The Mishnah ends off, Ha'imr li'isha, if someone tells a woman, Hiskadshili b'tmarazu, be mekadesh me with this date, Hiskadshili b'zu, and again he says the word Hiskadshili b'zu, so since he said Hiskadshi in between each time, so the Gemara says, going according to Reb Shimon, that splits it up. And therefore, we look at each one separately. If either one is a pruta, it will be mekudeshes. However, if he said bezu, 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 without saying iskachi in between, so then the Kidushin is only being mekadesh with all of them together. So then only im yeshava pruta bikulon mekudeshes. If there's a shava pruta with all of them together, it's mekudeshes. And if not, it's not mekudeshes. If as he's giving them to her, she's eating them, so then it's not mekudeshes. Unless one of them is a shava pruta. So the Gemara explains, if it's going on the case where each one was a separate kedushin, meaning the ratio where we said hiskadshili, so then you need each one to be a pruta. If it's not a pruta, then it's not mekudeshes, even if she's not eating it. Even if it's in front of us, it's not mekudeshes, because you need each one individually to be a pruta. So the Gemara says, the second teretz of the Gemara at least, is that it's going on the seifa, where it's all one big kedushin. Yesh b'shava pruta b'kulan is mekudeshes, and ad sheyeh ba'achas min shava pruta is only going to mean the last one, because If the first one, it's a milva until the end, because the Kidushin is not chal until she's mekabel all them, because it's one big Kidushin. And then when she has the last one, if she has the last one that's worth a shavar pruta, then it'll be mekudeshes, because even though the rest of it was a milva, and a mekadesh b'milva is ain't a mekudeshes, but now that she has a pruta that's not a milva, we say a mekadesh b'milva pruta, daita pruta, and it's mekudeshes.